Heading out for the day now. Not sure what this guy in front of me is doing. Anyway, gotta go find somewhere to get new canisters for my airbag. And then gonna go meet Jon Jean and Con at the Big Eddy. Alright, well, rough country didn't have it, so off to a ski shop, see if they have it. Alright, we went to the ski and bike shop called Skokkum. Got my canisters. Hopefully I don't need to use these ones. You know, it's getting pretty bright out here. I better throw on my shades that I paid a lot of money for. That's better. So I went to put my new cylinders in. I put them in and then I screwed the valve in. And then I guess screwing the valve in when these are in punctures the cylinder. So I should have followed the instructions and wound the valve in first and then put the new cartridges in. So no airbag today, but that's all right. Well, I didn't have my mic plugged in, so you didn't hear anything I said. We're riding with Jon, Johnny, Con, and Derek. I've rode with Jon before. First time riding with these other guys. I hear Johnny's a really good tree rider. I guess we'll find out. I think we're gonna stick mostly just in the trees today, which is fine with me.
Stuck under the snow?
I'm gonna save the forest by lighting this tree on fire.
Oh my god, dude. You snowed my fucking helmet right in. Oh fuck, sorry man. Jon, take your radio out of your glove box. Okay. Oops.
That's better.
Where he is now. That just let go. Listen, you can hear it.
Can you?
That just let go big, yeah. You're gonna see it. I saw it slide. Cloud or whatever. It's so tender.
It's got blood in it too, so it's yummy. Nice duct tape there.
That'd be such a sick photo.
Yeah.
Like come up there and fucking wheelie. Off back the other way.
the trees, 5 sleds at a time. It gets a little hectic. I don't know where I was going with that because I'm not a rapper. Got a kitty playing in the trees. Thanks, buddy. Alright, well, it is that time of day again where we are heading down the hill. Pretty solid day ripping up the trees with these guys. We're kind of just on a small mountain. Not really any alpine stuff, but that's fine with me. I love sticking in the trees, especially when the Abbey conditions are as bad as they are. I think it'd be so cool to have a sea-doo down in the river here. Maybe I'll have to do that when I'm retired too. When I was on my way back, it looked pretty nice out, so I figured I'd go up to Mount Begbie Brewing and have a beer while I do some editing, but it's kind of clouded over. So I get to the brewery. I'm there for like a minute maybe, just pull out my laptop sitting there, and this guy comes up to me. He's like, "Hey, are you Matt?" I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "Hey, I'm Jeff. Nice to meet you. We watch your videos." He's with a group of guys from Nebraska, and they're just up here for a week or so sledding and happen to watch my videos. I only get like 200-300 views, but you know, here's some random guys in the brewery that happen to watch my videos, so I thought that was pretty cool. I might actually go out and ride with them on Friday. We'll see what happens. All right, well guys, it's wrong. It's no good. I'm pretty sure I start off every clip with saying "all right, well," or any of the above. But that's it for today. Kind of a boring one, I guess. I didn't really take that many clips of the riding, and you know, we didn't do anything crazy. Kind of just was in the trees, so it's always hard to film, especially when you know you're riding with all good riders. And usually, I guess I'm kind of at the start of the group, and today it's just like everyone's booking it through the trees, whereas usually I'll go ahead, or I'll be ahead, and I'll stop, and then I'll turn around and film guys as they pull up to me. But not so much the case today. By the time I stopped and pulled out my phone, everyone was already there. So anyway, not sure what I'm doing tomorrow, but I'm sure it'll be another good day. See you tomorrow, and thanks for watching.